All right. So that said, we now move on to our next brand partner for this morning. They are committed to sustainable banking by integrating environmental, social, and governance. These are the ESG principles into how they conduct their business. Our second speakers are from the Bank of the Philippine Islands, or I'm sure we all know BPI. And they ensure preservation of the environment in the conduct of its business and manages the environmental risk exposures of the bank and its stakeholders. So, to give us more information about this, we are joined by BPI's community partner representative and their sustainability officer, Nathaniel Barreto, together with the BPI Vice President and Head of Sustainability Office, Ms. Joanne Ayala.
Okay, thank you everyone. I'll ask the first question. Yes, I am related to her. My surname is Eala. So you know who? Okay. Aunt, not my daughter, but the direct aunt. Anyway, so we are from the Bank of the Philippine Islands. We're very happy to be a partner of Manila Bulletin for several years now. And there is a very strong alignment in the things that we want to do towards sustainability. So knowing that our audience, our young students, kita nyo naman yung pictures. No? But in truth, BPI has been doing this for a long, long time. Some of you may have heard of Jaime Augusto Zubel de Ayala. Ayala Avenue. Who knows Ayala Avenue in Makati? Or who doesn't know Ayala Avenue? No? So Bank of the Philippine Islands is part of the Ayala Group. And in the world, there's only one Filipino sustainability champion for the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. It's our chairman, Jaime Augusto Zubel de Ayala. Yay, may Filipino, di ba? And that was a very colorful story nung i-announce siya bigla. So anyway, I would include a couple of slides related to that so that you also understand where and how we started. Actually, when he came back from Harvard in the 1980s, he was carrying, wala pang sustainability nun, people, planet, profit. And then he said, people and planet before profit. So by 2008, so ginagawa namin siya, people, planet before profit, no? And then IFC of the World Bank Group, International Finance Corp, was looking for a partner in 08, 2008. Pinanganak na ba kayo nun? In 2008, and then they said, why don't we partner with the Ayala Group? Why don't we partner with BPI? So matagal na rin po namin itong ginagawa. No? So we will focus on the youth, but allow me to go through a couple of slides just to introduce BPI. Okay, go ahead. Ay, nasa akin pala, sorry. Ayan. So, BPI now looks like this. We have, well, first, we're 175 years old already. We are a bank known to be going to each type of segment, from the richest, biggest companies, richest Filipinos, no, up to the market vendors on the street, the tricycle drivers. Why? Because we can. Because we have the capability and we have the commitment. BPI kasi, we don't call ourselves kings in digital banking, but in truth, we are far ahead in digital banking. Tapos umatras kami. Ba't sinasabi ko umatras? Full blast in digital banking, I'm sure you know, BPI app. But we realized, paano yung nagbebenta ng isda, ng tahong, ng pinakbet na gayat-gayat na gulay doon sa kanto? Hindi pwedeng digital banking kahit may telepono siya kasi may physical cash na binabayad sa kanya. So you will see a couple of slides later how we have done this, no? Ano yung ginawa ng BPI. So just so that you know, we are not just first in the Philippines, 1581, we are the first bank in Southeast Asia. Okay? So we also have a lot of very first, at hindi pa kayo pinapanganak for sure. First ATM in the Philippines, 1981. Pinanganak na kayo? Hindi pa. First debit card, and there's first mobile banking platform. First to finance, no? Ito yung, alam nyo, coal-fired power plant, coal. So masama siya, no? So ginawa namin, yung coal plant, nire-repurpose ngayon, no? In partnership with, of course, Ayala's ASEN, no? So renewable company, sinishift siya. From coal, anong tingin nyo, saan ililipat? From coal to anong klaseng renewable? Hulaan nyo lang. Anong hindi gumagalaw na madali? Square, kulay blue? Anong tawag? Very good. Sino nagsabi ng solar? Bigyan ng plus 10 yan sa ano niya, grade niya. Very good, very good. First Sustainable Development Finance Program, ito naman, we're financing SMEs, small, medium-sized companies. Marami kaming malalaking partner. Siyempre, BPI kami. But we also know that it is BPI who can help the smaller companies. And do you know what we do? First in the world, and I confirmed it several times, first and the only one in the world na tuloy-tuloy yung pagbibigay ng free technical consultations. Kasi ibang companies, ibang banks in the world pala, kasi may funder sila, may nagdo-donate. Ang BPI tuloy-tuloy yan. Since 2008, we've been giving free technical consultations to make sure SMEs are successful with their projects. Almost 500 done to date. Eco-friendly financing program. O, alam niyo ba electric vehicles? Nakasakay na kayo? Hindi lahat to. Ilan lang yung tumatango. Pero huwag kayo sasakay pag bumabaha, ha? Kasi delikado yon. Baka umakyat masyado yung tubig. Delikado siya. The only thing, so we're full blast there. We also have solar on the roof. By the way, Arthaland is our partner doon sa in the net zero building. So converting buildings into green buildings, I'll show it later. Pero yung electric and hybrid vehicles, they really save on electricity. Diba? They save on gas. So at least 50% pa nga pag hybrid. Okay, so hindi ko masyadong tatagalan na kasi I can take days, you know. I was brought to Malaysia to talk about what we do. Ibinalik ako another time kasi ang haba-haba. Binigyan ako 3 oras to talk to banks. 90 representatives of banks of Malaysia just last July. 2 to 5 p.m. 5 o'clock na hindi pa sila umaalis, ang dami pa nilang tanong. So that's how interested they are in the innovations of a bank from the Philippines. Ha? Ako lang yun, walang ibang... does everybody speak in Tagalog? Bakit may mukhang Espanyol doon sa likod? Hindi, joke lang. Okay, so we are the first to have EDGE-certified buildings. Similar to Arthaland, yung ano siya, no? You save electricity, water, and carbon footprint and materials. Do you know that we have 34 branches na? First in the country, and up until yesterday, umakyat pa from 29 to 34, so an additional 5. Green building ang tawag doon, so green branches. And then we have 4 buildings, so ano kayo rin, 4 buildings of BPI, 100% renewable energy. And then recently, 70 branches of BPI. Makikita nyo, i-label namin. Yung 100% renewable sila. No, makisaksa kayo ng telepono kasi 100% renewable energy sila. Okay, so just to show you how BPI has really been doing sustainability. And you, sana meron kayong ganito. Sobrang hit. Alam nyo to? Ano tingin niyo ginagawa dito? Nag-gets nyo? Gets nyo? So, uminom, hindi mo maiwasan. Di ba, minsan talaga kailangan bumili ka ng tubig na wala ubos na or may magbabiyahe ka. You're forced to have plastic bottles. Your plastic bottles will be converted into Vibe Points. So, bibilhin sa'yo yung bote. So, hindi mo na itatapon. It will not go to the landfill. Kasi i-recycle. Okay, by another bala company. Okay, sana sa NU meron. Nasaan po yung leadership? Okay, sige, next. We also have electric shuttles. Now, just to show you, kasi ang haba, we don't have the whole day, but we have initiatives in green, pati mga nag-offer kami ng time deposit na green, papakiliwanag mamaya ni Nats. We have lending to farmers, we have insurance. So ang dami, no? And a lot of the firsts in sustainability came from BPI, really. And that's the reason why we're very proud, no? So even when we had alliances in the region, when we would present on stage, ito just last September, kasama pa namin yung board of directors namin, when we go on stage and talk about what we do, including measuring exposures to risk, by the way, which you should do, wala lang sa slides ko, Hazard Hunter, remember that system? Check your homes, check the location of this building. Are you exposed to flooding, Are you exposed to earthquakes? You should be aware and Hazard Hunter is free. No, so it's a mortal sin if you don't know if you're exposed. One more thing that I hope to ask, no, so the BPI is again one of the first banks, no, to do that, and we tell our clients, we teach how to do that. Another thing is that what we want to emphasize, no, kasi kanina parang medyo nangyari, sumasama yung mga earthquakes. Okay, let me just be very, very clear. I'll ask you, does climate change or global warming cause earthquakes? Yes? Who says yes? Who says no? No. There are two things that are problems of the Philippines. No? One is we're along the typhoon path. Daanan ng bagyo. So pag may bagyong dadaan, for some reason, kailangan dumaan siya ng Pilipinas. Di ba? Typhoon path. Another thing which has no relationship at all to being along the typhoon path is being along the Pacific Ring of Fire, where 70 to 75, 75 or 80% of earthquakes and volcanic eruptions in the world happen. Doon tayo nandun. So hindi nag-uusap yan. So sumasabog si Taal, bumabagyo, natandaan niyo yun? Tapos may pandemic pa, di ba? Kasi hindi sila magkakakilala. Pakialam ng earthquake or ng volcanic eruption ng Taal kung bumabagyo ka na at may pandemic ka pa. They do not know each other. They're not talking to each other. They have no relationship at all. So please do not blame climate change or throwing plastic into the sea, which is a mortal sin of the Filipino, again. Hindi siya ang cause ng earthquake. Okay? Just to be very clear there. But anyway, these are the things that we do. What I hope to do next, no, is to introduce to you, yes, yabang ng konti kasi last week lang to. We won the 28th award for sustainability and no other bank can do that. Diba? Yung pang 28, tuwang-tuwa kami kasi regional award eh. Regional award. And normally, pagkalaban namin ibang bangko, una mahirap manalo sa region. Tapos kalaban pa, pati non-banks, no? So, you're saying, ang galing-galing naman. Sabi nga sa akin, ba't pupunta ka pang Malaysia? Baka hindi tayo nanalo kasi imposibleng manalo ka pa, di ba? But the competition was a journey, transformation for, we've been doing it since 2008, di ba? So sabi ko, parang feeling ko nanalo tayo. True enough, we won. So just sharing with you, again, another Filipino achievement. No? So what I hope to do next, no, is to ask one of our officers to talk about this campaign. No? So we want to focus to you. We adjust our presentation kasi to the audience. No? So I don't need to talk about all the green buildings of this world. Let's talk about you. Okay, so sustainability and me, and here's Nats Barreto from our team.
Good morning. Good morning. My name is Nats Barreto, one of the sustainability officers of BPI. And no, unlike Ms. Joanne, I'm not related to Julia, unfortunately. So we're gonna talk about you, me, the sustainability of your personal finance, diba? Because a lot of companies today will be talking about the sustainability initiatives of their respective companies. So we'd like to take some time to talk about you, the sustainability of your personal finance, diba? Sustainability talks about the present and the future, and BPI can actually be your partner bank in ensuring that your present and future needs are met. How? For the future, BPI can be your partner bank in savings and investments. So here are several options that you can have, right? You have savings account na medyo mas mababa yung interest, pero pwede mong ma-withdraw anytime yung pera mo. And sometimes, meron pang mga add-ons na kasama like free insurance or no minimum balance. Meaning, kahit na less than 1,000 pesos yung ilagay mo, you can have your own savings account. You can have time deposits na longer yung holding period, pero mas mataas yung interest rate. Yung minimum amount, medyo mababa rin, as low as 5,000 pesos. And sometimes, it can be tagged as green. Ano ba yung green time deposits na yan? These are time deposits wherein the proceeds of your money can be used to fund projects with clear environmental benefits. So naka-save ka na, naka-invest ka na, tapos nakatulong ka pa sa environment, right? And then you have investment products na higher yung potential returns, but it's subject to investment risks, right? So ito pang medyo advanced na siya, no? Pang advanced na investors, but the minimum amount, it's also low as 500 pesos, you can start investments. So ako, every time na may dumarating na pera, I put my money in any of these three, either in my savings account, time deposits, or investment products for my future. Pero we wanted to talk about also briefly about investment scams, lalo na you're young. Ako, when I was in college, twice akong na-invite to investment scams such as these. Twice. By my own friends. By my own friends. And they too didn't know that they were entering a scam. Ano ba yung investment scams? These are too good to be true investments. Yung tipong, magbibigay ka ng pera, tapos madodoble na in 1 month time. Yung tipong papangakuan ka na in 1 month time, dodoble na yung pera mo. Or guaranteed returns. Or unregistered with the SEC or the government. Marami kasing ganun yung mga fly-by-night investment companies. And it's good to watch out for these because you can lose your money. So when should I start saving? Anyone? When should you start saving? Any guesses? Very good. Right now, diba? Hindi bukas, hindi next week, today. And then, how to know how much to save? Follow the 50-30-20 rule very fast. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and then the residual, 20% for savings. Pero in terms of the formula, you should not be thinking of savings as a residual. In fact, kapag graduate na kayo, may income na kayo, you should always remove your savings from your income kagad. So 20% of your income every month or every 15th, di ba? Tanggalin nyo na siya, ilagay nyo na siya sa savings account, time deposit, or investment account para hindi nyo na siya magalaw. And then the rest, you can use it for your wants and needs. Very fast, where can you find BPI to start your savings journey? So we have branches, we have mobile platforms such as the BPI app, available through Google Play and Apple. And then we also have partner stores. So pwede kayong pumunta in different gas stations like Sea Oil, Uncle John's, or Rodamel Drugstore. This is in Tuguegarao. So these are we have partnered with a lot of brick and mortar stores where you can actually access BPI products. And that's a crucial that's one of the crucial initiatives for financial inclusion because not everyone will have ready access to a BPI branch. Yung mga walang Wi-Fi, di ba, pwedeng hindi sila maka-access ng BPI app. So we still have these partner stores where you can bank with BPI. Next, on your present needs, we actually have loan services, of course. And very fast, what to borrow money for? Good means what to borrow money for. For education, number one, your students, you should know, diba? You know the value of education, business, house, and car only if necessary. When to not borrow money for luxury items, vacations, yung trip to Japan, don't borrow money for it. Celebrations, pag nagdebut ka, don't borrow money, diba? Or gambling. And where to borrow money? Only borrow money from legitimate institutions like banks and cooperatives. Don't go for loan sharks or yung mga payday lenders, 5-6 schemes kasi number one, yung interest rate will be very high. Ang taas ng interest ng mga yan. And number two, yung debt collection nila sometimes, diba? Sometimes they will harass people because they don't have financial consumer protection policies. So only borrow from banks like BPI, or when you find yourself in the future to be part of a cooperative, you can also borrow money from them. So I am a responsible borrower. I only borrow what I can afford to pay. I plan and manage my cash. Yung papasok na pera at palabas na pera, I can manage it. And then, I pay on time and in full. Okay, for the cap of our presentation, I'll turn it back to Miss Joan Ayala.
Thank you. Thank you, Nats. Baka may mga tanong kayo, ha? Sabihin nyo na kagad. Please raise your hand after this. So what we are saying is that as students, it's never too early. So you can have your own savings. You start your own savings. By the way, meron ganon. You can have an automatic deduction, no, from your savings account. Tapos save up siya, hindi nyo siya makikita, hindi siya withdrawable na ATM. Delikado yung ATM eh. We made withdrawing convenient, so ganun din. Nauubos yung pera agad. It can be in a separate account called the save up account, may insurance pa. Now, investing was also made easy. Magkano yung cheapest? 500, no? 500 pesos na. 'Di ba? Siguro may 500 kayo, pwede pa kayo mag-invest sa sustainable funds ng BPI, no? And then we have also told you that when you're borrowing, no, it's important that you choose what the money will be used for, and you make sure that it is indeed for your sustainable future. There's one thing that I want to tweak. The title of the slide was Sustainability and Me. No? Actually, what I hope to do, no, for a sustainable future is to tweak that one more. Sustainability starts with me. Okay? Don't pass it on to somebody else. Don't think of anything else. Sustainability starts with me. So you pause and then you say, what am I doing to be sustainable on my own? Ako muna. 'Di ba? Isipin niyo mo. So for this particular message, I want you to be selfish. Normally selfishness is bad, 'di ba? But for this particular time, I'd ask you, be selfish. You ask, how can I be sustainable? How can I prepare for my own future independently? Okay? And, well, we have our hashtags here. There's one thing I want to share with you before I leave. No? So, when I was in Malaysia, one of the things I said, actually by mistake, no? Kasi hindi ko naisip Muslim country sila. Pero sa inyo, pwede kong sabihin to. So I quoted myself, I said, to a Malaysian audience, primarily Muslim, I said, you know, I happened to have a chance to talk to UN, older people, who crafted the word ESG. Di ba yung sustainability, ESG, environmental, social governance. And then I said, oh, so you were the group, and you were one of those who crafted the word ESG. Environmental, social, so paligid, kapaligiran, tao, before governance. You know what I said? And I quoted myself in front of a Muslim audience. Who the hell placed the environment ahead of people? And they could not answer. Sabi ko, problema yan. Kasi bakit mo ba pinoprotektahan ang planet Earth? Bakit mo ba gustong maayos ang kapaligiran, malinis ang hangin, malinis ang tubig? Is it environment for environment's sake? You're protecting the environment for whose sake? Hindi ba para sa tao? So, as a last message, that's one thing I really want to do later on. I'll be retiring next year, and I tell you, that is a campaign that I will start. Place S ahead of G. Sorry, ahead of E and G. Di ba? ESG, Environmental Social Governance. Balik na rin, SEG, social, tao muna. So people ahead of the environment, ahead of governance. And translating that to my message, to our message to you today, sustainability starts with me. Tayo muna. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Joanne and Sir Nat.